All right, well, this goes in the category of how to make coffee on the run. Okay, so first off, I got coffee that I brought with me, but I did not bring any method to prepare this. So we're gonna create one. I got an empty coffee mug, rinsed it out. This is a water bottle that I had, filled it with hot water. And so what I'm gonna do, at least I hope to be able to do, is to make a immersion method. So take the coffee I know I have, the rough milliliters of this that are filled up about 300. This is about 30 grams of coffee. That's way more than enough. And we're gonna strain it out with paper towel. All right, so we're gonna take the coffee and literally dump it in the hot water, courtesy of local proprietor here. All done with coffee. I'm gonna take a straw, I'm gonna stir it. Better yet, I'll just slosh it around. Let's see how this looks in here. So yeah, just slosh it around so you get all the coffee grounds wet. And we're literally gonna let that stay and bloom and see where it goes from there. All right, so coffee has sufficiently brewed for my taste. I did 3 minutes, and now this is something we're gonna try out. I've never tried this method, but in theory it should work because, I mean, what is a filter if not just a piece of paper towel, right? So what I'm planning to do is put paper towel inside of this to give me a better chance at getting the grounds out. So we're gonna see how this goes. Let's put paper towel on top and screw it on. I mean, in theory, that's gonna work, right? Or it's gonna make a big giant mess on everything, which is probably more likely. But as silly as that looks, that might just work. So we're gonna filter out a cup of coffee here. I mean, it looks like coffee. It's not coming out quickly, but it's pretty good. Think of this as your own little drip method. Yeah, that's what I was worried about it getting slow. So we'll see. So of all the methods that I tried, this actually looks like the best. It's literally a paper towel in the barrel of the thing, holding back the grinds and the ground, I should say, and then filtering it pretty well. That's actually the easiest method. It's just a slow, gentle pour with all of the things being soaked up by a little bit of paper towel. Well, here's to making coffee on the road. It's not bad. All right, see you next time.